So what stands out to me? Well, it should stand out to you as well, and that's that we're talking about the 5-step process for ADA, right? So we should think about our mental map, and as we can see, here are the 5 steps. We just need to keep hammering this home because this is the backbone of audit data analytics and what you ultimately need to know for the audit section of the CPA exam. So if you have the mental map in your mind, right, and you know the 5 steps, then this question is easy because it's just asking which of the following options represents one of the 5 steps. And for this one, right, we're going word for word and not necessarily part of one of the 5 steps. We just need to know what are the 5 steps word for word. Well, the only one that is listed in the mental map that is also listed here as an option is going to be step number 3, which is consider the relevance and reliability of the data used. So I'm sure if you got that question on the exam, you'd get it right. But what if they really drilled into step 3 and asked you to explain what is the purpose of step 3? Well, hopefully you'd be able to say, well, the purpose of step 3 is to understand where the data came from, how it was generated, and its overall quality. And then I would say, okay, what are some buzzwords we should consider on the exam when we see something about step 3, right? Well, we should be thinking about, was the data system or manually generated? Did it come from an internal source of the company or was it externally generated, right? Is it in its original form or has it been manipulated? And then there's also characteristics of the data we can assess, right? Is it accurate and complete? Is it timely? Is it consistent, right? All of that is involved in step number 3, where we just need to determine if the data is relevant and reliable.